Good morning, student. In the previous class, we are seeing the chapter differentiation. We have seen chain rules and some example based on it. We have seen Lavoisier method and seen some example based on it. And we have seen inverse method and we have seen some example based on it. And now, student, we will see some questions of differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Okay, student. So we will see some questions based on this type. Let's see. First question is differentiate log sin x with respect to root cos x. Okay, student, we have to differentiate this log sin x with respect to root cos x. So first what we will do, we will take, this is our u and this is our v. First we will let the first term is u and the second term is v. Now we will differentiate this both. Du by dx is what? 1 by sin x into cos x. Now differentiate this. dv by dx is 1 by 2 root cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. Now student, we will write du by dv. And du by dv comes when we write du by dx by dv by dx. Okay. Now put the value of du by dx, which is cos x by sin x and sin x by root 2 cos x. Okay, student. Now what we will write? We will write this is cot x and by minus sin x and this is 2 cos x. Okay. Now this is minus cot x root cos x and this is cosec x. So this will be the differentiation of the function log sin x with respect to root cos x. First we will take the first term is u and then second term is v. Okay. Now we will differentiate this du by dx, right? And we will differentiate again dv by dx. We will write this and now we will find out du by dv, which is du by dx divided by dv by dx. When we will put the value, we get our required result. Okay, student. Now we will see next question. Let's see. Our next question is differentiate tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to tan inverse x. Okay, student. So we have to given that this tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x is by x with respect to tan inverse x. Okay, we have to differentiate this. Now, what we will do? So we will take first this is our u and this is our v. Okay, so for differentiating this, we will let x is equal to tan theta. Okay, so put u is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, now u is equal to tan inverse sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, so u is tan inverse, this can be written as 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay student, now this 1 minus cos theta can be changed in the form of 2 sin square theta by 2. So we can write u tan inverse at the place of this term. We can write 2 sin square theta by 2, and this sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So this term is cancelled. This is also cancelled. Now we can write u is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. So u is equal to theta by 2. From here we can get. Now our theta will be what? 1 by 2, and this is tan inverse x. So du by dx will be what? 1 by 2, 1 plus x square. Student, this will be our first term. Now we will differentiate this term. dv by dx, it will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So du by dv is 1 by 2, 1 plus x square by 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is cancelled. Now we get our differentiation of tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to tan inverse x is what? 1 by 2. I hope you understand. We have just taken here x is tan theta and substitute the value of tan theta, we get sec theta minus 1, and after that we have taken 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. It will be changed when we change sin, sec and tan in sin and cos, then we get this. Now at the place of 1 minus cos theta we can write 2 sin square theta by 2, and here 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay student, and then this can be written as tan inverse tan theta by 2. So it will be reduced in theta by 2, and then u is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. And differentiation of this term will be what? 1 by 1 plus x square, and du by dv will be what? Differentiation of this term by this term, so we get 1 by 2. Okay, now we will see next question. So next question is differentiate sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. Okay, student. So we have to differentiate sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. So we will again take, this is our u, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Now let x is equal to tan theta. So u is sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So u is sin inverse sin 2 theta. So u is 2 theta. So u is 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate this. Du by dx is 2 upon 1 plus x square, and v is tan inverse x. Then dv by dx is 1 by 1 plus x square. So du by dv is du by dx by dv by dx, which is 2 by 1 plus x square by 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is our 2. The differentiation of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x is what? 2. Now we will see next question. Next question is differentiate x to the power x with respect to x log x. Okay, so we have to differentiate x to the power x. So let u is x to the power x. Now we can write this term is du by u by u is equal to log of e to the power x to the power x. Okay. E to the power log x to the power x. Now differentiation of du by dx is e to the power log x to the power x, and differentiation of now this can be written as x log x and differentiation of x log x. Okay. So this is e to the power x log x, and first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Now e to the power, this can be written as log of x to the power x, and this is 1 plus log x, and this is x to the power x 1 plus log x. Okay, so du by dx is this. Now we take b is x log x. So dv by dx is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So dv by dx is 1 plus log x. This is dv by dx. Now du by dv is x to the power x 1 plus log x by 1 plus log of x. So this is cancelled and we are getting x to the power x. Okay, so differentiation of du by dv is x to the power x. Okay, student, we have taken this is term which is u is x to the power x, and this we can write log e to the power log e x to the power x. This can be written as x log x. Okay, so here we can write e to the power x log x. Okay, now differentiation of this term is e to the power x, differentiation of x. So here is we apply product rule, so we get 1 plus log x, and this term will be changed in x to the power x. Okay, so b is this, and differentiation of this term is we apply product rule, we get this. Now du by dv will be what? X to the power x, 1 plus log x by 1 plus log x, and we get our result x to the power x. Okay, now let see another question. Our next question is differentiate tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse one plus x square. Okay, so we have to differentiate this tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square with respect to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So we will suppose that this is u, and tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So let x is equal to tan theta. So u is equal to tan inverse to tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So u is tan inverse tan 2 theta. So u is 2 theta. So du by d theta is 2 by 1 plus x square. Now b is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Take again x is equal to tan theta. We get what? B is sin inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So B is sin inverse, this is sin 2 theta. B is 2 theta. So B is 2, theta is tan inverse x. Now dv by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square. So student, from here we have find out our du and dv. So we can write du by dv is 2 by 1 plus x square by 2 by 1 plus x square, which is equal to 1. Student, I hope you understand. Now we will see next question. Let's see. Now we will see next question. Our next question is tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square with respect to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, student, now we will suppose that this term is our v. Okay, so let u and v are here 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So let x is tan theta. So u is tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Tan inverse, this is tan 3 theta. So u is 3 theta. So du is 3 tan inverse x. So u is 3 by 1 plus x square. Let similarly b is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. X is tan theta, so b is tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So b is tan inverse tan 2 theta. So b is 2 theta. So b is 2 tan inverse x. So dv by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square. Now du by dv, we will write what? Our 3 by 1 plus x square by 2 by 1 plus x square. So it will be what? 3 by 2. So student, I hope you understand what we have done. We have to given the question that tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Differentiate this function with respect to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So far differentiating this with respect to that term, we take first term is u and second term is v. Okay student, so u is tan inverse 2x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Okay, so we have taken let x is tan theta. When we are going to substitute here, we get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And this is the formula of tan 3 theta. We know it well. So we can write u is equal to 3 theta from here, because tan and tan inverse will reduce from here. So this is u is equal to 3 tan inverse x, because theta is tan inverse x. So we can replace theta with tan inverse x. Now our u will be what? So when we differentiate this du by dx, it will be what? 3 by 1 plus 3 by 1 plus x square. Now we will take here x is equal to tan theta. When we substitute, we get b is tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta student. So b is tan inverse tan 2 theta. So b is 2 theta. So b is 2 theta is tan inverse x. So dv by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square. Now for du by dv is 3 by 1 plus x square by 2 by 1 plus x square. And it will reduce, we will get 3 by 2. I hope you understand student. Okay, now we will see next question. Let's move for next question. next question is sin inverse. Differentiate sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, student. Now we have to differentiate this function with respect to this function. So let this is our u is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now we take x is equal to tan theta. So u is sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta we can write. Now u is sin inverse, this is sin 2 theta, so u is, this is cancelled, so this is 2 theta, so u is 2 tan inverse x. Now du by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now we take d is cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Again put x is equal to tan theta. So dv by dx is, sorry, d is cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So d is cos inverse, and this will be changing cos 2 theta. Okay, so this is the formula of cos 2 theta. So cos and cos will reduce from here, so we can write b is 2 theta and b is 2 theta is our, again tan inverse x we are seeing. So dv by dx will be what? Again we get 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, student. Now we will write du by dv. It will be what? Du by dx by dv by dx. This can be written as 2 by 1 plus x square, and this can be written as 2 by 1 plus x square, and this whole term will be cancelled, and we get what? Our du by dx is 1. And so differentiation of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square will be what? It will be equal to 1. Okay, what we have done, we have taken the first term, u is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So x is equal to tan theta we are supposing here, because we know that there will be formula of sin 2 theta. So when we are going to put here, we get 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and this is the formula of sin 2 theta. We can replace this with sin 2 theta. Here we are seeing that our sin inverse and sin is going to be cancelled. Okay, now it can be written as 2 theta just, but we are supposing here let x is tan theta, so theta will be what? Tan inverse x. Okay, student. So we replace the theta with tan inverse x, and when we put tan inverse x, now we differentiate this term with respect to x. We are getting 2 by, and differentiation of tan inverse x, we know that it is what? 1 plus x square. Now take the second term, which is our what? v, which is cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now again we are taking here tan theta, because we are seeing that this is the formula going to be made. So cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and this is the formula of cos 2 theta. So we can replace this with this whole term with cos 2 theta, and we are seeing that clearly that cos inverse cos is reduced from here. We are getting 2 theta, and v is 2, and theta again we can write tan inverse x. So now differentiate this term with respect to x. We are getting 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, student. Now we will find out our du by dv. So du by dv is du by dx by dv by dx, and when we put the value, we are seeing that both values are same, so it will be cancelled and we get our 1. Okay, thank you.